Welcome to Medical Encyclopedia, the YouTube channel where we explore the fascinating world of medicine. Here you will find up-to-date and reliable information on various health topics, diseases, treatments, and tips to lead a healthier life. Our goal is to share medical knowledge in a way that is accessible and understandable to everyone. Get ready to dive into an ocean of medical discoveries and demystify complex concepts. Subscribe and join us on this journey towards knowledge and wellness. In today's video, we will be talking about beetroot and its uses and health benefits, and we hope that it will be of great help and informative. Beetroot is an edible root plant that has been cultivated for centuries for its numerous culinary uses and health benefits. Scientifically known as Beta vulgaris, it is a herbaceous plant of the Amaranthaceae family. It is cultivated for its edible bulbous root, which is characterized by its intense red color. However, there are also varieties of yellow and white beets. The beet plant grows in the form of a basal rosette, with large, fleshy leaves that can be green or purple in color. The leaves, known as beet greens or chard, are also edible and are used in different culinary dishes. Beetroot offers several health benefits due to its unique nutritional content and phytochemicals. Here are the most outstanding benefits. High nutrient content. Beetroot is a source of important nutrients. It is rich in fiber, vitamin C, folic acid, iron, and manganese. In addition, it contains phytochemical compounds such as betalains, which are antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. These beneficial nutrients and compounds are essential for proper body function and contribute to overall health. Improves cardiovascular health. The nitrates present in beets are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is a compound that helps dilate blood vessels, which in turn can lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Consuming beetroot or beet juice regularly can help maintain cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Anti-inflammatory properties. Betalains, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds present in beets, can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various diseases, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Incorporating beets into the diet can help fight inflammation and promote overall health. Promotes digestive health. Beetroot is rich in fiber, which is beneficial for digestive health. Fiber helps promote bowel regularity and prevent constipation. In addition, the dietary fiber in beets acts as food for beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can improve the health of the gut microbiome. Increases endurance and athletic performance. Several studies have shown that drinking beet juice can improve endurance and physical performance in high-intensity activities. This is due to the nitrates present in beets, which can increase the efficiency of using oxygen during exercise. Consuming beet juice before a workout or competition can help delay fatigue and improve performance. Beetroot is a versatile ingredient in cooking and is used in a variety of ways. Raw consumption. Raw beets can be grated or thinly sliced to add to fresh salads. Its sweet and earthy flavor adds a distinctive touch to salads. They are also used in pickles and fermented, such as the popular beet sauerkraut. Cooked beets are used in a wide variety of dishes. It can be boiled, roasted in the oven, or steamed. Cooked beetroot is ideal for salads, either as a main ingredient or as a side dish. In addition, it can be added to soups and stews to add flavor and color. One of the most famous preparations is borscht, a traditional Eastern European soup that combines beets, cabbage, carrots, and other vegetables. Juice. Beet juice is obtained by liquefying raw or cooked beets. It is a healthy and nutritious drink that is consumed alone or mixed with other ingredients to make smoothies. Beet juice is rich in antioxidants and beneficial compounds, such as nitrates, which can improve cardiovascular health and physical endurance. Beet chips. A creative way to enjoy beets is to make crispy chips. To do this, the beets are cut into thin slices and baked or dehydrated until they acquire a crunchy texture. These chips can be enjoyed as a healthy snack or as a side dish for other dishes. Importantly, some people may experience changes in urine or stool coloration after consuming beets, which is completely normal and does not cause concern. In conclusion, beetroot is a versatile vegetable with a wide range of culinary uses. In addition to its distinctive flavor, beetroot offers several health benefits, such as cardiovascular support, anti-inflammatory properties, and promoting digestive health. Adding beetroot to your diet can be a tasty and nutritious way to improve your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on today's video. We hope you enjoyed our content and found it useful. Remember that the information provided on this channel is for educational purposes and does not replace the opinion of a health professional. If you have any concerns or questions, we recommend that you consult your doctor or a qualified specialist. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to receive our regular updates. Until next time, and have a healthy life full of medical knowledge.